I have the Nintendo Switch, and let me show you how to quickly reset and repair a Joy-Con. So let's say you're having a problem with one of the Joy-Cons. Maybe it could be the right one or the left one. What you need to do is simply remove that particular Joy-Con, and then you can see it's connected because of that green light there. Okay, so what you want to do is press it once, press this button here, just press it once, and as you've seen, the light has disappeared. And now what you want to do is press any button and you should see the light moving quickly, and then it now paired again, and it's now repaired. And if it's not repaired automatically like that after pressing a button, just slide it back into the Nintendo Switch and it should get connected and start working. And that is basically how to reset a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con or controller. Thanks for watching and good luck.